NPP for delegates, me mamu nyina achi. Ema makwa aba mo amabedu. Mo amonam kwa asonso ba mesre Nyankopon mpa yema wo so mpa mwedu asomdwem. Na memenda omienkofa adwene and take decision a betumi aboa Ghana mind obi a Ghana for peno. Na yetumi di Agyapong mfi se power na yepe. Ti memenda bibi a mo ye bia na monwene Ghana man ho na monwene efomfo no ne omupe ne enyema wo ne yesa amawa enkonyimdi be ye dia 2028 medamasi na mishira mu. Good morning, NPP delegates. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Accra for our NPP Delegates Conference. I'm pleading with you to take a right decision that reflects the views of Ghanaians and the delegates, especially the grassroots. They are the voice of the people, and we should listen to them. If they want a victory for us, then we should give them their choice. So I'm pleading with all the delegates to make right decision to help this party win 2028 elections. Welcome once again, and God bless all of you.